pink salt trick, the weight loss trend, you need to try. If you're a woman between 35 and 55, listen closely. Cutting calories and doing endless workouts often backfires, especially when your hormones and metabolism start slowing down. But here's the surprising truth. The right kind of salt can actually help your body burn fat, reduce bloating, and give you back steady energy. And no, I'm not talking about the white table salt that makes things worse. I'm talking about a simple pink salt trick women are now using daily with amazing results. Most people think pink Himalayan salt is just pretty. But what if I told you it might be the missing piece in your weight loss journey? Today, we're breaking down why pink salt is different, how it supports fat burning, and I'll share a quick recipe, a drink you can make in under 2 minutes, that people use daily to reduce bloating and boost digestion. Here's the problem. The white refined table salt in processed foods is stripped of minerals, pumped with anti-clumping agents, and does more harm than good, causing bloating, high blood pressure, and fluid imbalance. When you're trying to lose weight, the last thing you need is more water retention and cravings. That's exactly what happens when your body is overloaded with processed salt but starved of minerals. Pink Himalayan salt flips that script. If you're serious about natural weight loss and energy, hit subscribe. I share science-backed tricks every week. Why pink salt is different. Pink salt is packed with 80+ minerals that balance hormones, cut cravings, and release excess water weight. That's why so many women notice less bloating and more steady energy after swapping out regular salt. The hidden weight loss connection. Pink salt balances electrolytes. When electrolytes are in check, your body releases excess water weight, which is why people notice less bloating after switching from table salt. It also supports digestion by helping your stomach produce the right amount of acid. Better digestion means faster metabolism and less discomfort after meals. The recipe, pink salt morning detox. Drink, here's what you'll need. 1 glass of warm water, half a lemon, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, and optional raw honey. Mix and sip slowly. Women in their 40s and 50s say this morning drink not only reduces bloating, but also smooths digestion and curbs those late-night cravings. Why it works? Warm water wakes up your digestive system. Lemon provides vitamin C and supports detox. Pink salt supplies minerals and enzymes for digestion. Honey, optional, gives quick, natural energy. Do this consistently and you'll notice less bloating, better digestion, and fewer cravings. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't this just lemon water? Lemon water hydrates you, but without pink salt, you miss the minerals that help your body actually absorb it. Add pink salt, and hydration becomes a fat-burning, digestion-boosting tool. Why it works. Long-term. Think of metabolism like a fire. Plain water keeps it smoldering, but pink salt with lemon makes it raw. Studies show correcting mineral deficiencies helps steady, long-term weight loss. That's why this trick works better than just cutting calories. A study in the Journal of Human Nutrition and Dietetics found that people who corrected mineral deficiencies lost weight more steadily than those who only cut calories. Minerals matter more than most of us realize. Most of us grew up thinking all salt is bad. But the truth is, the type of salt matters more than the amount. Table salt bloats you and worsens cravings, while pink Himalayan salt restores minerals your body needs to function at its best. By swapping regular salt with pink salt and adding the morning drink, you're giving your body a natural weight loss boost. No pills, no fad diets. My challenge for you, drink it every morning for 7 days. If you're a woman over 35, notice how your stomach feels flatter, your energy picks up, and those stubborn cravings start to fade. Then come back and share your results in the comments. Your story could inspire another woman your age who feels stuck right now. Weight loss isn't about removing everything. Sometimes it's about adding back what your body has been missing all along. And if you want more natural health tips that actually work, hit subscribe and turn on the bell.